This is the CPI550G. It's an industrial green beam rotary laser. The self-leveling laser is super easy to use and it boasts a range of 500 meters when used with the receiver. You can adjust the rotation speed from 0 to 600 RPM and you can reduce the rotation down to directional scanning if you're on a busy site. It's got a dual mount on the rear so you can use it vertically. And if you need to set a grade on maybe a long drain or you're laying a driveway or hanging a sloping ceiling, you can manually dial in a grade of up to 5% on both the X and Y axis. The CPI550G comes in this sturdy hard case and it includes the receiver which can be read from both sides. There's a remote control with 20 meters of range. It's got all the same controls as the laser itself. Also included is a wall-mounted bracket with fine adjustment for use when a tripod isn't suitable. And on top of the glasses and target, there's also a charger for the built-in battery pack and also an additional battery pack that you can put batteries in if you get caught out on site. You get 15 hours of continuous runtime on a fully charged battery. It's waterproof, built for outdoor and indoor use, and it's got those nice big rubber handles, make it nice and grippy, and they'll absorb a knock on site. Optional extras include a dome-headed tripod and a 5-meter aluminium surveyor's staff. Or you can pick up the whole lot in a combo kit, so make sure you talk to one of our team or go over to sydneytools.com.au. If you've got any more questions about the CPI550G rotary laser, hit me up in that comment section below. And until next time, I'm Tim, and you're watching Sydney Tools TV.